everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to play Pokemon TCG Pocket on iOS. First, open App Store and search for Pokemon TCG Pocket, then download this app. After downloading the app, open it. Next, choose what country and enter your birthday. Next, tap on OK. Next, agree to the terms of use and privacy notice. Tap the buttons below and click OK to proceed. You can allow notifications to your liking. Next, select Create New Save Data. And then you can choose what account to link on. For now, let's link it using Apple account. After that, you'll need to download additional data for you to play the game. Wait for it to finish downloading and click OK to proceed. After that, you can now start playing Pokemon TCG Pocket. Enter your player name and tap OK to proceed. Select icon for your profile and click OK. Confirm your name and then tap OK to proceed. Now you can open a booster pack wherein you'll receive Pokemon cards, complete missions for rewards, check Wonder Pick for rare cards, collect shop tickets, claim your daily gift, use your pack points to get cards, participate in battles, change your language to get foreign cards. Now to buy Premium Pass, go to the shop and then move to limited time or events. Tap on subscribe under the Premium Pass. Tap subscribe again and make sure to read all the information here. Take note that you have a free trial for your first purchase. Now tap the button below to proceed to payment. Make sure that you've set your payment method on your Apple account for easier payment. Follow the on-screen procedures and you'll receive a notification if the purchase is successful or not. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.